We all want to see the lips a lot of beautiful bright pink color. But for various reasons our lips become black. Today we will show you how to make your lips beautiful and soft. Fast, take 1 tablespoon olive oil in a bowl. Another way of getting natural pink lips is by exfoliating them regularly. It is essential to exfoliate your lips to get rid of dead skin cells and rejuvenate your skin. So use olive oil. Add 1 tablespoon glycerin. Regular use of glycerin on lips will not only keep your lips healthy and soft, but will also remove dead skin from your lips area. But that's not it, regular use of glycerin also stimulates the growth of new skin cells. Bring this natural ingredient to your rescue and say bye-bye to dry and chapped lips. Add 1 tablespoon light pink color eyeshadows. Add 2 vitamin E capsule. If you have vitamin E capsules, you can simply cut one open and apply the product right to your lips. Vitamin E boosts circulation and may help generate new skin cells, making your lips softer. Mix well. Now my homemade lip gloss is ready. Now you can use it. It makes your lips beautiful and soft.